GM Infotainment Error 401, labeled as a login network error, indicates a failure in the system's ability to authenticate or maintain a stable internet connection. This prevents access to apps, streaming services, or OnStar features. The primary causes include network issues like weak cellular signal or Wi-Fi interference, software glitches from outdated firmware or corrupted data, account problems such as expired subscriptions or incorrect login details, and occasionally hardware factors like a faulty telematics control module. It's crucial to understand that this error often stems from the system's reliance on cloud-based authentication, making it vulnerable to external disruptions. Recent GM updates have reduced occurrences, but it remains prevalent, especially in older systems. Checking your MyGM app for software updates is a great first step. To resolve Error 401, start with a simple restart. Turn off your car completely, wait 30 seconds, and then restart it. This can clear temporary software glitches affecting the infotainment system. Next, check your connectivity. Make sure cellular data is enabled and you have a strong signal, or reset your Wi-Fi connection if applicable. Poor network connection often causes Error 401. Third, update your infotainment software. Use the system's over-the-air update feature or download the latest version through the MyGM app to fix known bugs related to Error 401. Fourth, reset your login credentials. Log out and back into the infotainment system, or check and verify your OnStar account status to ensure it's active and properly linked. If the previous steps don't resolve Error 401, consider a factory reset after backing up your data, or consult a dealership for professional diagnostics, especially if hardware issues are suspected. Regular updates and strong signals help prevent recurrence.